This program is all about getting you to find who you really are as a leader. And there are many, many different ways to lead, but what is your way to lead and do it better? Leaders are coping with extraordinary challenges. They're having to hold uncertainty. They're having to make very difficult choices. The coaching space offers an opportunity to think those issues through in a safe and confidential way, using the skills of the tutor and the tutorial method that Oxford is so famous for. We're in a university setting where actually coaching started. The way in which young undergraduates were educated all those years ago, 800 years ago, was through the tutorial method, which was essentially a coaching method. For me, executive coaching is a really important leadership opportunity that it allows leaders to really reflect on where they are and think about where they're also going. And frankly, by the discussion and the deep reflection, it accelerates that journey and that path. One of the great benefits that I've noticed over the years of working on the programme is the diversity and community of learning that very quickly gets established. It's wonderful to have 3 weeks where you can really begin quite deep relationships of conversations and learning. After you finish the programme, there'll be a further opportunity to reconnect with the coach, to check in with the conversations that you've had, explore what you said you might think about trying, how that's gone, but also to make sure that the learning on the programme is really embedded in your practice. So if you're facing complex challenges and you want the opportunity to think those through, explore them, really recognise what the problem is behind the problem, then this is the programme for you. It offers you a safe space to think imaginatively about different kinds of practices that will help your performance and your organisation's performance. So I invite you to join the Oxford Advanced Management and Leadership Programme.